You know what it is, man. KMG the motherfucking mob, nigga. Foes up, man. RP Paint, RP Main G, man. Shots out the Red, shots out the V, man. Shots out the G Street, man. Shout out all of them real niggas, man. Fuck wrong with these niggas, ain't no talking, man. Them 30 get it clapping though, real talk. Oh yeah. Rants in that bitch, man. On it now we got them choppers that make you start breathing. Pussy nigga tryna play me, bet it brain be leaking. 100 rounds on them K, AR, switch cheese shit, and we don't fuck with Ted 9, they jam too easy. All my niggas wearing soldier rag, all my niggas dressed in black, ready to catch a body bag. We hop out in black, we hop out with mad, we hop out with flag, we bustin' your ass. Don't make a move, I'm bustin' your frame. You think it's a game, runs in the game. Free Uncle Rod, he locked in the chain. Free Uncle Rod, nigga. Free LiBOBBY, nigga. Ransom go, I'm choking on dope. Shout out the Red, shout out Kilo. Home of the foes, you know how it go. I got a 4 on, this shit gonna blow. I'm passing the gas, you ain't gonna hit it. My niggas, they with it, they all in the trenches. We passing that bullet like we passing these bitches. Fuck you, little bitch, get out your feelings. Fuck you again and gone about your business. I fuck her again, she say that she sensitive. I'm clutching the 30, I feel like the current. I'm ballin' little bitch, I'm talking January, your man looking nervous. He swear that we serving, I call up my people and tell them we working. All with his head, the runs heavy head, that palm heavy head. Sent by his leg, he looking for help. Got stripes on my belt, just saving my shoes. Fresh out the shell, designer I'm rocking, all on my belt. I'm passing your bitch, call it a sis. She said that we married when she all on my dick. My floater, I'm kicking, my shit is exquisite. These bullets, they coming, they break all your dishes. Fuck what you claim, runs be the game. RP Main G and free all the gang. RP Paint, nigga. RP Main G, nigga. Y'all nigga know what it is, man. Ain't no more talking, cuz. You feel me? Niggas say they want that pressure, you want that pressure. Man, I'm gonna get these niggas they want. Shit. Hey. Don't talk for no talk, if you shoot, nigga, shoot. That his ass was a ghost, I had his ass spook. My nigga by shit, we went on a loop, he had cocaine, they won't have a clue. No side, no side, folks up where I'm from. Don't catch on no case if you don't make a bun. Remember no time, I could make a song, but now I draw hits and rip niggas song. Apply more pressure on high like the devil, be ready to plug. Supply you red over, I fuck all these hoes. I need to go metal, fuck the other side, cause nigga be telling. Shoot shit like the man, or just like Ray Allen. And Twitch chasing me, no boy ain't gon' kill me. Why me, it be so hot, they'll hatch a whole million. Number green shit like I play for the Celtics. If I catch a K, I'm closing my mouth. Remember that time I broke in that house, bust up in the window when it came out. Don't touch your luck, I know what I'm about. Look deep by whatever, I know what he about. Two made by whatever, I know what he about. The run by whatever, I know what they about. Don't front me no dope, cause I'm running off. Go ask your boy how we stunt ass out. Put niggas on scratches, send that to the house. No cake, no fake, get killed on your mouth. My niggas on go, we hollowing it now. No beat, no heat, hit your ass RP. I'm blowing no gas, just pull up a foe. If you wear a base, you can't cover your throat. I'm cleaning this soul, cause your bitch first and go. Don't need no bait, I'm clutching a pole. You from the west, but throwing a fold. Y'all niggas know what it is, man. Northside shit. Hey, RP Main needs RP Paint, nigga.